How to use the Turbuhaler inhaler. Start by removing the cap by unscrewing it. You can check how many doses are still available in the inhaler using the dose counter. Maintain the inhaler in a vertical position. Red ring down. After that, prepare the powder by moving the lower red ring in a back and forth motion. A click will confirm that the dose is ready to be inhaled. You can slide the red ring either way. It doesn't matter which direction you choose. Prepare to inhale the medication by standing upright and holding the inhaler vertically in front of you. Breathe out slowly and completely out of the inhaler. Insert the mouthpiece into your mouth, seal your lips around it, and take a fast, deep breath in. Take the inhaler out of your mouth and hold your breath for 10 seconds if possible. Exhale slowly outside of the inhaler and resume normal breathing. Cap it. The Turbuhaler is a device designed to help you inhale your medication as a powder. It is possible that you may not feel the powder at the time of inhalation, even if you are using your inhaler correctly. Rinse your mouth well if your inhalers have cortisone.